Unlocking dragon form in Super Snail is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. This is the main prerequisite for unlocking the dragon form. You need to evolve your regular snail, slime snail, mutant snail, and matcha snail to tier 5. This means completing their respective evolution challenges and maxing out their stats. Go to the research machine and click on Growth Track. Then, on the DNA bonus tab, you'll find the DNA value pack at the bottom. Then, purchase the DNA value pack. This pack costs 5,000 W tags. Make sure you have enough saved up before attempting to purchase it. Once you buy the pack, a gift box icon will appear in the DNA bonus section. Click on it to claim the dragon form. Congratulations! You've now successfully unlocked the powerful dragon form. Remember, the dragon form is the ultimate evolution and requires significant effort to achieve. Be patient, keep grinding, and enjoy the new challenges and rewards that await you.